Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Village and I'm Radha Krishnan. Welcome to Shoot Like a Pro number 23. Well, in this episode, we're going to be talking about top 5 mistakes that a beginner photographer makes, whether you are an Android user or an Apple user, and how to avoid them and get that perfect shot with your phone. Whether you are an aspiring Instagram influencer, a creative soul, or just looking to up your photography game, this video is for you. First thing first, always clean your phone lens. Always carry an anti-static cloth with you. Clean the rear and the front camera before you actually start shooting. Well, always have the 3x3 grid activated. Switch the screen from auto brightness to manual brightness and keep it at 50%. This will enable you to look at the image in similar conditions, whether you are indoors, outdoors, wherever you are. You will get used to a certain way of seeing your images on the screen. Always keep the phone straight or parallel to your subject till you become an expert and develop that sense to realize when you should tilt the phone down or tilt the phone up while taking the images. Now, let's talk about those 5 mistakes. First up, let's talk about composition. It's not just about what you are capturing, but how you are capturing it. Your phone's screen is like a canvas, and how you arrange elements in the space can make or break your photo. Remember, every corner of your screen has a potential. Use the rule of third, for example, by turning on the grid, which I told you in the beginning, using your camera app or a third-party app, whichever that you're using. Place your points of interest along those lines or intersections to create a balance and interest. Watch our video on mobile phone photography, Shoot Like a Pro 1, but I'll add a link in the description, and don't jump now because I want to add a few other videos too. Watch them in order and you will thank me later. That video is actually one of the largest watched mobile phone photography videos on internet. The next one is over or underexposing photos. It's a tricky world of exposure. Overexposed photos look washed out and underexposed photos are too dark, and neither one will do justice to your subject. Your phone camera automatically, the moment you point your phone at a subject or like you create a frame, the phone will automatically adjust the exposure, but you are not stuck with that first choice. Tap your screen, slide up the up and down arrow button and adjust the brightness before you take the shot. That is why the 50% brightness for the screen will help. Auto brightness again will be fooling you. Now here is a scene with a strong backlight. I'll first take a photo without adjusting, then I'll tap and slide to find the sweet spot. Notice how the second photo has more detail and more balanced light. The third one is neglecting the light quality. Now, lighting is everything, but not all light is created equal. The harsh midday sun can create unflattering shadows, while the golden hour, like the one they have set on me now, is something that is a photographer's dream. Observe how light interacts with the subject. Soft, diffused light is generally your friend, especially for a mobile phone user. Use natural light whenever possible, and if you're indoors, even a thin curtain inside your room can act like a great diffuser. We again have done a detailed video on how to work with natural light. I have added a link in the description. Watch it after you finish watching this video, and again, you can thank me later. The next one is relying too much on post-processing. While apps and filters are great, they are not magicians. The goal should be to enhance, not to completely overhaul the image that you shot. No amount of editing can fix a photo that is fundamentally flawed. Focus on getting it right from the start itself. Pay attention to framing, lighting, and focus before you tap that shutter button. Again, while tapping, make sure that you're holding onto the phone strongly, very rigidly, and then tap using your thumb, not like this. I've seen many people taking pictures like this, and obviously you're going to get a shaky image. And the fifth mistake a beginner makes is not learning from their own mistakes. This is actually a big one. Learn from every photo that you've taken. Figure out what you like in them. What are the things that you didn't like about them? Take notes and try to apply what you have learned to your next session. Now, I don't want to show you the bad photographs that I have taken, but I've added a link to my personal professional photography website in the description. It's www.cradha.com, where I have uploaded pictures shooting for which I got paid. Okay, I guess I got paid because they were good. You may decide. In conclusion, 5 common mistakes and how to overcome them with nothing but your phone and a keen eye. Remember, great photography isn't about having the best gear. It's about understanding your tools and crafting your vision. So go out, explore, capture, and of course, like I said, review and learn from your mistakes. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Happy shooting. I'll see you in another video. Bye.